So every health influencer is talking about probiotics, right? But do they actually work? Or are they just another overhyped supplement? I'm Dr. Partha Nandi, a University of Michigan trained gastroenterologist and New York Times best-selling author. Let's separate the fact from the fiction. So probiotics are marketed as the ultimate solution for gut health, but the reality is much more complicated. So some people see amazing benefits while others waste money on probiotic supplements that do nothing. So how do you know if probiotics are right for you? And really more importantly, which ones actually work? The definition, right? They're live bacteria that support your gut microbiome. And a balanced gut microbiome is awesome because it helps with digestion, immune function, and even mental health. But here's the catch. There's always a catch, right? Most probiotic supplements don't survive stomach acid, meaning they never actually reach your intestines where they're needed. So not everyone benefits from probiotics in the same way. Probiotics are most effective for these folks: people recovering from antibiotic use, which wipes out beneficial bacteria; those people with digestive issues like bloating, IBS, which is irritable bowel syndrome, or diarrhea; also people with weakened immune system. This is an important one. These folks need better gut support. If you already eat a balanced diet with plenty of fiber and fermented foods, well, you may not even need a probiotic supplement at all. So most probiotic supplements on the market are underdosed, containing ineffective strains, or don't have the proper coatings to even survive stomach acid. So if you're going to buy probiotics, look for the following: at least 10 billion CFUs for effectiveness. Also, multiple strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Delayed release capsules to ensure they survive stomach acid. Instead of spending money on supplements, consider adding probiotic-rich foods to your diet. Examples are yogurt. I love yogurt. It's a great source of live cultures. Also love sauerkraut and kimchi, fermented vegetables packed with good bacteria. Kefir is a favorite for many of my patients, a powerful probiotic drink with multiple strains. Many people around the world and in this country, in the United States, also use miso and tempeh. These are fermented soy products that support gut health. So here's my conclusion. Before you buy a probiotic, focus on improving your diet first. Also, have you tried probiotics? What's your experience been like? Please drop a comment below.